Yo, what's up? Welcome back to yet another reaction. Tobela Dumelang. Yeah, this song is from Lesotho and it was recorded by a videographer. Do they call them they call themselves videographers? They call themselves something. From Botswana. So, it's best of both worlds. Like Botswana and Lesotho can never collaborate in a big way like this. I just enjoy like seeing collaboration like this, especially among Basotho and Botswana, because I think in the back of every Botswana you think you know what's up in Lesotho, and I think people in Lesotho in the back of their heads they're like, yeah, we know what's going on in Botswana, but in reality we don't actually know. It's just like it's like but you don't know. Anyway, I'm excited for this one. Jack Botloko shot this one, another videographer from Botswana. If you want to check out his stuff, go check out his YouTube page. He's recording artists from South Africa, Botswana, Lesotho. I think, yeah, I think those three countries so far. So he might need to expand. So if you're in Zambia and you want him to come and do something, I think he's really open to doing that. And if you are anywhere else in Africa, I think he would definitely love to collaborate. I don't know. I'm just advertising his businesses, but I don't know his stuff. But if you like his style, maybe you can get in touch with him and, you can work with him. Tatistan, one of the biggest artists, according to me, from Lesotho, and Tabi sings, man. What's the name of the song again? Feeling. That feeling. I think I've listened to this song. This song is not new, but I think the video is new. This video I'm reacting to is new. So yeah. I'm from Botswana, and if you're here for the first time, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too so you don't miss any of the uploads on the channel. Then hit that like button. It is for the algorithm. Let's go. Hey. Beautiful stuff. Lesotho.
Feeling your house every vaga. Feeling your house every nyogo. Feeling your house every vaga. House every chelete. Feeling your house every nyogo. My petty money. Ustedes no. Ustedes nyogo.
I don't know how much that is in M-Pesa. It seems like she has 200,000. Is it M-Pesa? No. That's the currency of Lesotho. I think so. Write it there.
Yeah, Zaga yetsa basadi ba tshwara dipene. Basadi ba ba no sona di kene. O boss Pascal ka bo rekile vene.
Hey.
So architect ja dula la le di plan. Ka o beta ka mpesa o find di mpinchi. Tegele something keep it chinchi. Ka o regela be out for the drinks. Ka o beta ka mpesa o find di mpinchi. Tegele something keep it chinchi. Ka o regela be out for the drinks.
Whoever made this beat also, man, like this is nuts. I'll share the dollar. Yo.
Feeling your house every vaga. House every jackpot. Feeling your house every nyogo. My petty money. Ustedes no. Ustedes nyogo. My petty money. Ustedes no.
Yeah, for those of you who don't understand Zulu, Sotho, Pedi, Tswana, is it's just like a simple that feeling you have when you have money, when you have won a jackpot, when you have Zaka. Hey, it's you know that feeling. There's no need to tell you how it is, but if you know when you have money in your pocket, you know what I mean. So that's the song is all about, the vibe.
Kaubeta kampesa uvayile dimpintshi Tekele something ukhiphele ichinchi Nawurekela beer uthwale drinks Kaubeta kampesa uvayile dimpintshi Tekele something ukhiphele ichinchi Nawurekela beer uthwale drinks Kaubeta kampesa uvayile dimpintshi Tekele something ukhiphele ichinchi Nawurekela beer uthwale drinks Kaubeta kampesa uvayile dimpintshi Tekele something ukhiphele ichinchi Now regular be out for the drinks.
It's a whole vibe. Oh my goodness. This guy's like, I'm on a wheelchair, but I am going to have fun. But I know I just said what I said earlier about Botswana and Lesotho. In the back of our heads, we like, I know what's going on in Lesotho, but I know if I go to Lesotho, I'm going to feel the same vibe I feel when I'm in Botswana. I don't know. I just have that feeling. I see this video, I'm like, that could be anywhere in Botswana, like we are really the same people. People like to have fun. People like to drink alcohol. That's it. That's the whole vibe. Yeah, beautiful. And that is Stan and Tabby sings. Big up to Jack Botoko for that recording, for that calculation. You know what I mean? So yeah, that was a good one. I think I like that song. I think it came out 2020. When was the last time I was in when was the last time I was back home? 2023? 2023, 2022, 2020. Yeah, 2023, I think. Was I home 2023? Yeah, I think that song came out 2023 or 2022. I might be wrong. But yeah, the video is very new, so go check it out on Jack Botoko. No, maybe the video is not new. Maybe it's new on, I don't know. But yeah, I know the song's not new. I don't know about the video, but what I saw is that this video is new on Jack Botoko's YouTube page. So there's that. Thank you so much for watching this, man. Like I said earlier, if you're here for the first time, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too, so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel. Then hit that like button. It is for the algorithm. See you guys on the other side.